These are 5 survival skills that everyone should know. Water is important because most of your body parts needs water. Most people can only survive 3 days without it. Don't just drink water from anywhere. Or, for example, a cactus's water can be very poisonous, and drinking muddy water can cause nausea and diarrhea. Water from a stream or spring are better options, but even then, you'll want to filter it. I have a link in the description below of a video that teaches you about water filtration. What if you were in a desert? Then you can make something called a solar sill. Basically what it is you dig a hole, you put a cup in it, put non-poisonous plants in it, and cover a trash bag or a very thin tarp. It only works if you put a teeny tiny bit of dirt or a small rock in the middle of the tarp or trash bag. Shelter is a high priority. It can protect you from bugs, snow, rain, and it can increase your will to survive. But you do need to be careful though, because you want to build a shelter that will help you in the elements that you're enduring already. For example, you want to build a shelter that will keep you warm in the winter instead of a desert type shelter. A body bag or extended 8-frame are those that are meant to keep you warm. Another very important survival skill to learn is fire starting. Having just a small fire can be a very beneficial thing. Even a small fire can keep you warm. Cook and preserve food, and even purify water, signal for rescue, and even defend yourself from predators. To start a fire, what you need to do is you need to grab tinder, which will catch on fire easily. You may have cotton balls or some old used dryer lint, and even cedar bark works very well. You strike it and then you add kindling, which keeps the fire going until you're ready for the big stuff, the fuel. Another very important one is food procurement. Your body will want food other than clovers and dandelions, which those are good for vegetation, some vitamins. Well, you will want meat too, to keep your muscles working. You can go and hunt some birds or deer with a club or snares. Or you can go fishing with a makeshift bushcraft spear and make a pull trap. A pull trap that has been used by some soldiers in the military. Once they swim in, they won't be able to get out. Why do they even swim in it in the first place? I have no idea. And then you can grab yourself an easy and nutritious meal. Another important survival skill you need to learn is prepping. Being prepared for a survival situation is crucial, and having a survival kit or bug out bag is a good idea. Don't have a survival kit? Don't know how to build a bug out bag? Check this video right here so you can learn how to build a survival kit. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.